Kiteworks' groundbreaking 2024 risk score is based on an AI-generated algorithm that redefines cybersecurity risk assessment across industry segments. This unique metric combines number of data compromises, victim count, victims per compromise ratio, and average breach cost. For the first half of 2024, the risk score reveals some interesting risk trends and insights, with hospitality, retail, and manufacturing topping the list. Overall, the risk score climbed from 5.1 in 2018 to 7.3 today. Kiteworks' AI-enabled risk score offers unprecedented insights into evolving threat landscapes, industry-specific vulnerabilities, and effectiveness of cybersecurity measures. As cyber risks intensify, this innovative tool empowers proactive defense. Download the full report today for a comprehensive view of data breach risks.